Hello, welcome to part 3 of this fitness program. And basically in this part we're going to be working on achievements and calories burned. I already programmed it, but I'm just going to run it and explain it. And if you don't know what this is, you should probably watch the first couple parts. But if you don't want to, basically we're making a program, Kerbalcat and I, where you enter how many of which exercises you did, and it calculates all of these sorts of things: calories burned, points, levels, profile, achievements, and more. But for the calories burned, it can't be completely accurate because we didn't base it off of weight, and it changes depending on how heavy you are. Okay, so and also in the next part we're going to be making the profile with all the statistics, and we're going to be making the finishing touches. Now let's first explain how I made the achievement system. There's not much of a system going around for this, and I'll probably add some more achievements, but basically what I have so far is it's basically like, here, let's scroll down here. For example, achievement 2 is basically if it's the first time you're getting it and you are level 5, then you got the amateur achievement. And if you're level 15 and it's your first time getting it, then you're an epic gamer. And then there's another one. I don't know where it went, but it is here. And it's the rookie, I think. Yeah, it's the rookie. It's actually elite. Yeah, right here. And then there's the first one, and then the epic gamer. So for the calories calculator, of course it can't be completely accurate because we just got some information from the internet, and of course the internet information changes. None of it's completely accurate, and it also depends on weight. But what we basically did was we said calories burned plus equals, so add the number that we got from the internet. So for example, for sit-ups it's 0.09 calories times how many you did, and that basically calculates how many calories you've burned from that. And then at the very end it prints how many calories you burned. So let's run the program. How many push-ups would I like to do? Let's just say we're like, I don't know, not too professional, but not like overweight or anything. 20 sit-ups, 5 burpees, and we burned 7.5 calories, and that is around the ballpark of what you'd burn, but of course that's not completely accurate. And it prints your level that is calculated from your points, and also how many points you got from that session. And then you can keep going. Say you do 30 of each, then that tells the computer you're pretty good at workouts and thinks you should unlock a new workout, and in that case it's squats. And then you're doing even better, so you can do jumping jacks now, and we want to do 100 of those. And as you can see, it converts to even more levels. We got a couple of achievements here, and it says approximately how many calories you burned. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's helpful, and that's basically part 3 of the fitness program. I hope to see you in the next part.